years, and my homeschooling science program is such that we all look forward to. The other day my son had a question on why do I look the way I am, and then I saw his observation sheet where it was mentioned about his hair color, skin color and other facial features. So I understood that it's a very subtle way where genetics was introduced to him. Recently I saw that he could practically differentiate between plain water and vinegar, and at his age is really surprising. I can go on and on with such kind of examples, but I would suggest more and more children take advantage of these sessions, and their perspective towards science will entirely change. Thank you very much.